In this video, we'll learn conditions for no Doppler effect. So, no Doppler effect means apparent frequency is equal to source frequency. The change in frequency is equal to natural frequency. Apparent frequency mentioned as n dash, source frequency mentioned as n. So, first condition for no Doppler effect when source and listener both are at rest. For example, this is listener position, this is listener, this is source. So listener staying here, then source placed here. So the distance between the listener and the source is constant. Due to the rest, there is no change in the frequency. So that in this condition, apparent frequency is equal to source frequency. Condition 2 for no Doppler effect when source and listener move in such a way the distance between them remains constant. Here listener and source both of them moving in the same speed. For example, L moving some 10 meter per second, then S also source also moving 10 meter per second. So in this situation the distance between listener and the source is always remain same. So when there is no change in the distance, there is no change in the frequency. In this situation also apparent frequency is equal to source frequency. The frequency heard by the listener will be equal to the frequency produced by the source. Condition 3 for no Doppler effect when source and the listener are moving in mutually perpendicular direction. So here source and listener going to move perpendicular to each other. So the angle between them going to be 90 degree. 90 degree. So when the source and the listener moving perpendicular direction, the frequency heard by the listener will be equal to the frequency of the source. So here also apparent frequency is equal to source frequency. Here there is no Doppler effect. Condition 4 for no Doppler effect if the source is situated at the center of the circle along which the listener is moving. For example, this is circle. Along the circle listener is moving. So along the circle listener is moving. At the center there is a source. So when the listener moves around the source in the circular orbit, the distance between the source and the listener is always same at any instant. So when the distance is same between the source and the listener, there is no change in the frequency. So there is no change in the frequency heard by the listener. So in this situation, apparent frequency is equal to source frequency. So no Doppler effect is observed.